At the beginning of this year, I set a few goals for myself and I have been working on them ever since. In this video, I am going to share how the last month January actually went for me, what challenges I faced while changing my goals, what didn't go as planned, and how I dealt with the struggles. Think of this video as a mirror for me to see a reflection of where I stand right now. Why do we look into a mirror? Obviously, to see ourselves clearly. If our hairs are messy, we fix it. If there is something on our face, we clean it. If our clothes aren't sitting right, we adjust them. In the same way, this video is my mirror. I am sharing this with you because I want to be real with you. Perfection doesn't exist. Everyone faces problems in their life. Some people give up when the things get tough, and others face those problems, learn from them, and move forward. This is a start of a monthly reflection series, and I am creating a playlist where there will be a collection of videos in which I will break down every month what challenges I faced, how I dealt with them, and what are my achievements. So let's get started and look at how my last month, January, actually went. On 31st December 2025, I was extremely excited about the new year. I set many goals for myself and I carried a high expectation from 2026. However, when I opened my eyes on the morning of 1st January 2026, I found myself surrounded by self doubts and laziness. Thoughts like these kept on circling in my mind. Do I really need to do this? Do I really have to wake up this early? What difference this year will make? Relax, take it slow. There is no rush. Despite these thoughts, I slowly gathered the courage to get up and start working on the goals I set for myself. The next few days passed normally, and I will not mention the normal days. The days I am not mentioning means they were the normal days. And I will have to look at the notes because I don't remember every event by date. So going further, on January 6th, I fell asleep in the evening, which completely killed my motivation to exercise. On the 7th, I procrastinated on my YouTube work. On 9th, exercising started to feel a bit easier. On 11th, my meditation became deeper. On 12th, I forgot to write my diary. And on January 17th, I felt full of energy and both my meditation and workout went really well. On the 18th, I finished reading book named Atomic Habit. On 20th, I felt sleepy while doing my evening Sambhavi. On 23rd, something strange happened. My sleep broke at exactly 10:30 a.m. But luckily, it was a holiday, so otherwise my Sambhavi Mandala would have reset on that day. On the 27th, my body once again felt completely consumed by laziness. On January 30th, after sleeping in the evening, I suddenly had a gastric problem and even walking became uncomfortable due to stomach pain. By January 31st, everything felt normal again, and I began preparing for the month of February. As you can see, entire month was full of ups and downs. Some days brought one kind of struggle and other days brought other kind of struggles. But one thing remained the same. There was not a single day in the entire month when I completely deserted my challenges. Sometimes I procrastinated or I did my exercise late, sometimes with half-heartedly, but I always completed my challenges. My real struggle was not finishing the work, but starting it. There were days when I had zero motivation to do the exercise. During those moments, I told myself, just do 10 push ups, you can do at least that much. Most of the time, after doing just 2 3 push ups, my mind automatically shifted and I ended up completing the whole exercise. In this way, without even realizing, I slightly tricked my mind and ended up completing my challenges. On January 30, I was suffering from the gastric pain, and on that day, I had only one thought in my mind. This is the last second day of the month, and after this, I will have a perfect streak of the month. Despite the pain, I exercised, and after doing the preparatory asana for the Sambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, my gastric pain completely disappeared. So I didn't do anything extraordinarily. Sometimes I had to rely on my stubborn determination, and sometimes I cleverly outsmarted my mind. And through this process, I successfully completed all my challenges. When it comes to achievement, I would say just one thing. I did everything I had planned for this month. So if you want to know which challenges I am facing this year, then I will give the video link in the I button where I explained that what are my challenges for 2026. And that's my journey, honest, imperfect, but real. If this video resonated with you in any way, then remember this: progress matters more than the perfection. Growth isn't about getting everything right, it is about showing up, learning from your struggles, and moving forward one step at a time. If you are also working towards your goals, then I would love to hear about it. So drop the comment down below and tell me how your last month went. Let's grow together. If you found value in this video, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next reflection series. Every month we are going to come back, reflect, improve and level up. So thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next one.